So our sasso beds are ready for meat. You can contact us on 024 from now to Christmas, you can visit our farms, Ice Cube Agribusiness. We have pork, we have rabbit, and then we have chicken as well. So you can call us, contact us for your fresh, and then let me say they are local because medication is very low, and then they are not boosted for them to grow. Their growth is on a gradual pace, as you can see. So these ones are 5 months, as you can see. Sasso beds. They are very heavy. Very heavy.